Reduce the cost of servicing by more than 30 to 50%. Reduce attrition by more than 20%. JIFFYAI's seamless servicing solution delivers a faster, convenient, secure, and end-to-end client servicing experience. Our AI companion works behind the scenes across multiple touchpoints. With all the necessary data gathered, it then seamlessly initiates the appropriate workflows to ensure you can complete end-to-end client servicing, anytime, anywhere. With this solution, you experience seamless servicing for your consumers across different channels. Full range of service request selections such as trade requests including model assignment, raise cash, invest cash. Money movement including ACH and wires. Account maintenance including client information update, client contact update, beneficiary update, close account, notification of death, and many more. Beyond these, we have several generic capabilities such as integration ecosystem, multi-custodian support, AI-powered document upload and extraction, seamless e-sign or wet sign, and multiple approvals. Instead of having multiple disjointed applications, extend this seamless experience through one gateway with well-defined SLA-driven approval processes. Explore the benefits firsthand as this solution helps you to go live in less than 8 weeks, reduce total cost of ownership by more than 40%, and achieve end-to-end account servicing. Powered by AI, take your servicing to the next level.